Checking LLC status in Florida. In today's video, we are going to learn how to check LLC status in Florida. The process is very simple. You just have to follow me till the end. First, go to the Sunbiz Business Entity Search page. You can use this link to go to their website. In the search box, enter your LLC name. You can type the full name or part of it. Leave out LLC or L.L.C and skip punctuation for better results. Then click Search Now. If the LLC exists, it will appear in the list of results. Click the business name to open its detail page, in what you will see all of these details. Once done, you will see 3 of these status: active mean the business is in good standings, inactive and administrative dissolve means missed annual reports are out of compliance, voluntary dissolve mean the owners choose to close the LLC. Here is a pro tip: set a reminder for annual report deadlines or use a service like Northwest Registered Agent to stay compliant. And that's all. That's how you will be able to get checked for LLC status in Florida.